so clean. Why? Because I haven't washed mine.
So guess what happened in front of my lunch bag?
That's your lunch bag?
They have dinosaurs on it.
Yeah, that was mine.
Got me fun of at work in my lunch bag.
Tell them how you carry it though when you get out the car.
I went like this, look. I was like this. So they see me. I got dinosaurs on my shit.
Tony Stark gets off the car and starts skipping.
Hey, who would you? What truck? Man.
Jen, why you stressed? Just talk to him how you would talk to him in person. Boom! Just like that, guys. Tire shine and everything. United 2 is clean. It looks so good when they're clean. God damn. Shining. 92's all clean, inside and out. So what's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, you guys can see we just finished washing the E92, but we're actually gonna be pulling up to Baldo right now. As you guys know, we did help him remove the headliner for the E36 M3 and all that good stuff. He ordered some new Alcantara for the headliner, because if you guys remember, this headliner was held by hella thumb tags and stuff like that. So he ordered the new Alcantara, and he's actually working on it right now. I just finished washing the E92, and I'm gonna be on my way. I don't know if he's already done working on it or anything, but we're gonna go pull up and see how it looks, or what's the move, what he's doing. So we'll go ahead and head that way right now, and then we'll pull up on him and see what's up. It's like we just teleported, huh? E92 looks crazy.
Right here.
I'm going.
Yep.
Woo. She looks so sick. The E36 needs a wash. That thing dirty. What's up?
What is it?
You don't have to put it all the way over here?
What?
To the what?
All that.
Oh, this is the... Oh, I didn't even notice it.
I'm already working it.
Oh. Yeah, guys, this looks 100 times better than how it was. It was held by thumbtacks. So, whatever this looks like, it's gonna be a million times better. I got Baldo working on it already, I'm telling you, he's almost done. What's all that for?
I got the centerpiece right here.
Oh, that's
These little
right.
sleeves that go on the front. And then I was thinking of doing the back part where the speakers go. I have it all in the garage. But I don't think I got enough for that back piece. I'll show you right now.
Yeah, it's probably still gonna take you a little bit longer. You still gotta glue all the edge, all this outside.
Yeah, but that's
and then
easier.
cut. Then you're done. This looks a million times better, guys. Once it's on the car, we're saying it's gonna look fresh. You're gonna have to order more material, huh?
No, nothing right there.
But up to do the back,
Oh yeah, that back piece maybe.
and then maybe later on. And if you do order it, I mean, you could redo the pieces that you messed up on when you were first practicing.
That's it.
But it looks clean, guys. Doesn't that look fire? I think it looks fire. Once it's on the car, it's gonna look clean. Then you're gonna have to wash it.
Yep.
Cause the E36 is dirty than a mug right now. I know. So I ended up cutting all the edges. Now he's gonna glue the whole edges around. Then it should be ready for installation. Ready? Take that. Bring the camera. I need that camera. My camera. The cam.
Well done.
Time for installation, guys.
Oh shit, I don't got my key.
Oh.
Look at that shit, this is nasty.
Mine might wash just right now.
Needs to wash. Look at my
Guys, look.
no rainbow down. Yeah, over there.
Put that thing in there, boy. That's what she said. Oh, snap it now. There you go. Oh. Oh. It's already dirty again, guys, just because Bala was working on it, but don't mind the dirtiness. Look, that's how it looks. That thing's gonna be on. So like I was saying, guys, no matter how this looks, no matter how it looks, if it looks like a little bit off or whatever the case is, it's gonna look 1,000,000 to 1,000 times better than what it was. It was held by thumbtacks. It was horrible. I'm gonna try to put like a video of when we took it off. Actually, when we took off the headliner, you can see all the thumbtacks. So I'll put like a little video right here so you guys can see the difference. But if you guys haven't seen that video, before you guys watch this one of us installing this, make sure you guys go ahead and check that out. And yeah, now it's time to install it. So like that tip, if it doesn't hold it fine, like as long as everything just fits flush. Like you see this shit, you have to make it. You have to push it forward more. Más pa' acá. Yeah, right there, shit. Yeah, right there's good. I'm pushing up. Yeah, that's good. Alright, now we gotta get all the wires going through. Just let it hang on your head. But where do you connect this shit? Right here. And that's gonna be this way, right?
Yeah, you connect it this way. This is hard.
Alright guys, we're just trying to fix all the wiring, make sure all the wires go right, make sure all the lights get on correctly, and then just bolt everything else on. So then we should be good.
Let's see, go up, push up.
Look at this, guys. Bam, just like that. Right now he's gonna install the sunroof, moonroof, and then all this wiring so it could all look super flush, but it looks super clean. Yep. You guys remember, all thumbtacked out, but now it looks fire. Dang, I need some black interior now. Southeast, or trade them for black interior. Anybody?
The sunroof.
The sunroof. Oh yeah, I did have some of it too, huh? Yeah. Just cleaning it off and then putting the new one on. I was already doing that. He's making it do what it do. Guys, my camera's gonna die. He's installing the last piece, the sunroof, and then it should be good. Look, guys. Oh, it's gonna look sick. Does the rubber piece go on after, brother? Yeah. Oh, look at, guys. It looks super clean. My camera's gonna die, so I'm just trying to show you guys how mint it looks now. It looks 1,000,000 times better. Once it's on flush, it's gonna look super sick. My camera died, but check it out. Super clean now. Oh, my phone's about to die too. But yeah, guys, look. All the way to the back too. Super sick. This rear part is gonna get done too, but we just finished this part and it's clean. Bam. It looks so sick. Oh, way clean.
Oh yeah, but Tommy Samaripa, your ass.